Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can fix this home screen layout. Means by accidentally if your apps on the home screen are getting removed or disappeared. See, this Google Gemini previously I kept on the home screen, and when I put this phone in the pocket or something like that by accidental touch, this Google search bar also got disappeared or deleted. But you can just fix all the items on the home screen easily. There is a option like home screen layout lock, so you can keep that lock or enable that lock so that everything will be fixed. So open your phone settings. Yeah, this is the Android phone settings, and here you need to click on home and lock screen, and here again you need to click on home settings, and see here lock home screen layout. So you need to enable this. Once you enable this, all the items on your home screen will be fixed in the sense, if you try to move that, or if you even try to delete that, there will be a message at the bottom saying like the home screen layout is locked. Means the items cannot be moved or any new items can't be added. And first of all, this mobile is my Motorola H50 mobile. Please do comment who else are using Motorola mobiles. And see here now, everything, the layout, the whole layout of the home screen is got fixed. So yeah, if you do like this video, please do hit a like. Yeah, and this is the Potronic mouse, and this is the gel I'm using for the cleaning of this phone.